Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. It's like, let's go. New day, new me. Stop playing with me. It's 11:40. I slept in so late today. I can't get out of bed, but I got a vlog. I'm just going to see how many things I can rattle off to you that I personally wish I would have known when I first started lifting. I think these things, I've been doing this for like 3.5 years, 3 years now. So I've been doing it for time. All the lessons I've learned through lifting, through bodybuilding, through whatever. Even if experience or whatever, still watch, because you know what I mean? Don't overcomplicate things. Don't overcomplicate things. Try to get progressive overload, but if you can't, also just focus on getting reps. Focus on just getting in the gym every day. That's the biggest thing. Focus on a mind-muscle connection. If you're not having a mind-muscle connection in your workouts, that workout is basically useless. Implement cold and hot showers. Those are something that's helped me tremendously. My body recovers so much better when I do a little cold, hot shower post-workout. Try to get good protein and carbs post-workout. Ignore all judgment. There will be a lot of judgment when you first start. Ignore it all. Don't listen to what anyone says, because most of the time they're just going to be jealous of you. Focus on your sleep. Sleep is so important. At least get 8 hours a night. And if you can't, I don't know, man, drink a ton of water. Find a way to beat out cravings, but also I like to eat. I give myself like little cheat meals daily, and I know some, like, they're small, like little dark chocolate and stuff. That's what I work on. You know what I mean? So find ways that you can be happy through this process. Find a way to make this a lifestyle and not about just a 6 month, 7 month, 6 weeks, whatever. It doesn't matter about that. You need to find a way that you can wake up every single day and do this thing. And that's kind of how I've lived right now, because right now I'm not on any like program or plan. I've just kind of go on how my body feels. And I think that it's just, we're all unique individuals. So especially in this sport or in the fitness world, you can't just take advice from one person. You have to take advice from 10 different people, 20 different people, and then implement it to yourself. Find a few key supplements. I would say take creatine. That creatine has been a lifesaver for me. Find a good pre-workout and experiment with some other minor supplements, but don't go overboard. Don't overcomplicate things. The biggest thing here is simplify. Like, if we can simplify bodybuilding and all of that, is the more simple, the better. And by simple, I just mean nutrition. Focus on that. So we know nutrition. Get your protein, get your carbs, get your fats, but don't overdo it on the carbs and fats, and don't overdo it on protein, obviously, but get enough in. The biggest thing is nutrition and training. Everything else is percentages, like very small percent, but nutrition and training is 80%. If you're worried about supplements, you know, I've had problems in my life, or in my few years of training, where I start like overcomplicating supplements and this and that. So now I just stick with making sure I have pre-workout and creatine, and I've been good. Find little ways to motivate yourself. Find people that inspire you, and then work off them. Ways to have fun with it. And don't, like, for a while I really got into a phase where I was just stuck in my own little world lifting, and people were asking me, they saw me getting bigger, and they're like, yo, how can I lift with you? Can you lift with me? Can you show me this? And I was like, no, I want to lift alone. It's my therapy, blah, blah, blah. Don't do that, because that created a really bad burnout. Like, yeah, I had fun for a few weeks, but then I saw everyone else lifting together, and I was like, man, I wish I could, you know what I mean? So you have to figure out ways to make it fun. Not every day has to be the same in the gym. And find ways to test your body. You know, if maybe if you had a big cheat meal the day before, go work out for 2 hours. Go work out longer. Find ways to break the norm, especially as a natural bodybuilder. You gotta find, your body can be pushed to limits that you've never exceeded. And I know that for a fact. I'm not supposed to look big. I'm not supposed to look in shape. That's not how my body was designed. But I've found ways through the years of working out. I've found little ways to manipulate it. For me, I have to do abs every day and watch what I eat, a lot of cardio. But for other people, they can build muscle and burn fat easier. It's just, we're all different. So find your body type. The biggest thing here is find your body type, figure it out, make it simple. These are all things I wish I knew when I started lifting. Go into like deep, like, oh, I'll do this and that, rep range, blah, blah. None of that stuff matters. The biggest thing is that you're consistent in the gym. You simplified it in the gym. You know what you're doing every day. You know your goals. Have a goal. Have a clear vision for what you want, what you're trying to accomplish, and have some people that motivate you. That's I know I'm a little bit repetitive here, but that's just the gist. These are all things that I wish I knew when I first started lifting, guys. Yo, real talk though, welcome back to the vlog. We are on that road to 10 million subscribers, and I'm not joking. I'm gonna be the first YouTube channel, fitness solo YouTube channel with 10 million subscribers. I know that's a hefty asking, considering I'm at like 2,000 and no one's watching the videos right now, but I don't even care. Stop playing with me. Sunday, you know what I mean? Yep, I think I'm sick. I got a case of I just don't give up. Yo, everyone's been worried right now. They're like, Yo, where's the purple lean taste test? You know, we're back with the purple lean taste. That's purple. Stuff smacks. 7 out of 6 for sure. Honestly though, I'm trying to bring like a different type of vibe into the fitness world. Like you can have fun and do fitness and like not all one cookie cutter way. I don't know. I'm trying to make these vlogs like short, interesting, funny, skitty, comedy, but also somewhat informative, you know what I mean? And I'm just like, every person that subscribes, every new comment, every new like, it really does mean a lot to me. And I know I make a lot of jokes and I don't look serious all the time, but I can be. And I just really, from the bottom of my heart, wanted to say thank you, because at the end of the day, there's still 2,000 people that have decided to subscribe to me. And that actually does mean a lot. So I love you guys. Thank you for being on this journey. And we're gonna hit 10 million by the end of this year. I know it's crazy, but we are.
I took a lot of chances, sacrifices to get where I'm at. Ain't looking back, I'm just gonna keep on getting money, rubber banding in the race. I know these niggas a sacrifice. I love my dog, was a sacrifice. I never throwing a sacrifice. God, please don't make me no sacrifice.
Had to sacrifice to be where I'm at. If I'm getting money, nigga, it's full flat. I cannot leave the crib without both straps. If you talk like you crazy, up both straps. Niggas thinking they hard, so I told that. I'ma pull up in style with the big rats. I'ma break off my niggas like Kit Kat. Nigga know I ain't lying, I admit that. If you fuck with my guys, you get clapped. Had to risk our lives to get here. Yeah, we took our time to get here. Do the dash, I'ma fly and sit scared. I'ma shoot on your block, the Swiss cars. I was kicking out pats like kickball. Would expect it for me to get this far. Fuck him, I want diamonds and fast cars. Tired of dodging the bullshit like dodgeball. Tired of rocking polo, I want time for it. So I'm easy, I put in the time for it. I be stuffing the peas in the jam sport. Niggas stay in your place, it's a man sport. Gotta make it right now because life's short. Wanna live in the penthouse, the top floor. Wanna balcony, bitch, fuck a back door. I could never switch your sides. I love my guys. Listen, people in the past, that's the sacrifice. Remember late nights in the hood, niggas rolling dice. Drive-bys every night, I couldn't sleep at night.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate all your love, appreciate all your support. I know it's been small right now, but I'm telling you, 10 million subscribers, and I'm glad each and every one of you watching. If you're watching now, you are a real one, and we are going to make it. And I promise you, when I hit 10 million, and that's a crazy number. I know people are like, what is this kid talking about? Bro, I'm telling you, David Doe, Halk, I'm at your neck, you know what I mean? I'm coming. Take the chains off me. Take the chains off me. Stop playing with me, you know what I mean? Hey guys, daily vlogs, daily videos, daily fitness tips, you know what I mean? I'm just trying to get searched. I'm trying to get found. Stop playing. I'm getting discovered today. 10 million subscribers. I'm serious. I'm 100%. Like, people are like, what the hell is this kid talking? No, I'm serious. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, I can talk to the vlog camera for days, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing with me. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram.
Diamonds, but I'm about it, please don't get it twisted. A crack a nigga in this rollie, I ain't rap a brick quick. I just did a band-aid off my first hit. Bitch, I ain't never heard of you like a perk 6. Stay the fuck about that app if ain't no cash involved. You think my shooters astronauts, they get the blast and all. Don't think 'cause